to Buenos Aires. I am in Argentina. After 3 days I was finally allowed to get off the cruise ship and come and enjoy Buenos Aires. So stick with me, I'm going to show you around. Right now we are in El Caminito, one of the highlights of Buenos Aires, and I only have 4 hours to go. I'm trying to see as many places as possible, so stay with me. Hi Molus Vlog and welcome to Buenos Aires, the heart of Argentina, where lively culture, rich history and the love of football beat like drums. Monika here on a solo adventure exploring Buenos Aires while docked with the Sapphire Princess. Our first stop is the busy walking street Avenida Florida, which is the heart of this full-of-life city. It looks and sounds just like an orchestra. It doesn't even feel like I'm in Buenos Aires. I feel like I'm somewhere in Europe. And you can't say Buenos Aires without saying tango. Just look how these dancers make magic happen. Tango is the heart and soul of Buenos Aires. It's a dance of love and passion with a beat that makes you want to move. And this is it, the famous stadium Boca Juniors. I couldn't get in today, but it's worth stopping to see even if you can't stay. When in Buenos Aires, it's hard to say no to these colorful artistic souvenirs. They're a great way to remember how nice this place is. Hi! These streets are giving me major Amsterdam vibes.
With Alex,
apparently this place is very famous because of Maradona, but we couldn't see it because we're in a taxi.
And all the doors are closed.
And all the doors are closed.
You have to pay to go inside.
And you have to pay to go inside. Now we're running out of time.
They don't take cards?
Yes, they don't take cards. They don't take dollars, so be prepared when you come to Argentina, to Buenos Aires. You need to have Argentinian pesos.
Or just sell your body.
So now we're going to one of the highlights of Buenos Aires, which is called El Caminitos. So we're running out of time. You only have 4 hours, so I'm going to try to vlog as much as possible for you. This is very nice. This place is so colorful.
I don't know what is Chilean, but that one is a Chilean president.
You can see many tourists around. Everybody's taking pictures and videos, and yeah, this place is very pretty, super colorful. Oh my god, I cannot believe I'm still here. I can smell food. Oh, I almost fell. Smelling so good.
Este es el café. Y después tengo la naranja.
One thing that the Argentina is famous for, and they really take pride on it, is the dulce de leche, which is amazing. It's amazing. Smile, girl.
I'm gonna put my shades on because I have a bright future ahead of me.
And I have an Argentinian hat I just bought. I had to get something from Buenos Aires and from Argentina. I think it's the last day for us in Buenos Aires. No, I think it is the last day for us in Buenos Aires. We won't ever come here again. so sad about that. Now we are here in a restaurant ready to eat. We are actually waiting for our food, but meanwhile we were enjoying a tango dance. Okay, so I ordered a salad with rucola and parmesan because I wasn't feeling very hungry. It's very hot outside. It's like 35, 37 degrees Celsius. So all I wanted was water. I got my drink and just a salad, just to eat something. What did you get, Michaela?
I got a pasta.
Let me see your pasta.
Pasta.
Pasta in Argentina. It's full with white sauce.
To show empanadas.
Yes, you have to show empanadas.
How pretty it is. And a mojito.
The mojito was very delicious. I got the sangria, so cheers! Every part of the city has a story to tell, a dance to share, or a memory to make. And remember that this is only half of the Modus vlog experience. Soon we'll be back together for more experiences. So, Buenos Aires, ciao for now!